see how to solve this problem we have on the board. These numbers has power, so we apply lots of indices since indices means power. Now this first number 2, so apply law of indices, we apply multiplication law here, and it will be 2x dot or times 2 raised to the power of 3. That means take their common base and add their power. Then plus this one will be 2 raised to the power of x times 2 raised to the power of 3. Then this one will be 1 plus 2 raised to the power of x. Now, power law can also come in here, which says that this is the same thing as packaging it this way. 2 times x is 2x times 8. Because 2 raised to the power of 3 is 2 times 2 times 2. 2 into 3 times 8 plus this one, 2 raised to the power of x times 8. Okay? Then equals to 1 plus 2 raised to the power of x. So at this point, you will notice that they have 2 raised to the power of x in common. So you don't add. What you do is you say, let 2 raised to the power of x be represented with any letter of any language. Let's say English language has k. You say let it be k. Then you now say take k and put it here. You'll be having k squared times 8. K squared times 8. That will be giving you 8k. 8k squared. Then plus 8 times k. 8k equals to 1 plus 2 raised to the power x is k. Now take this and take it to the other side of the equation. You have 8k squared plus 8k minus k minus 1 equals to 0, because you are taking everything to the other side. Then you will now start having 8k squared, 8k minus k plus 7k minus 1 equals to 0. You factorize. You say factors of 1. Factors of 1 is only 1. Because we are talking about factors of 1, this is a constant in quadratic equation. You say it's equals to 1. That means when you are using scissors method, 8k squared is the same thing as 8k times k. Okay? Now because you have plus and minus here, the two factors will be having minus and plus, such that because the factor is 1, just put 1 here and put 1 here. Let's check. 8k times 1, 8k. K times minus 1, minus k. So 8k minus k, that will be giving you 7k equals to 0. So you will be having 8k minus 1 equals to 0, or k plus 1 equals to 0. Here you will be having 8k equals to 1. 8k equals to 1, or k equals to minus 1. So if you have k equals to minus 1, automatically we set 2 raised to the power s be equal to k. Here k will be equal to 1 over 8, or k is equal to minus 1. Now replace 2 raised to the power of x. Replace k with 2 raised to the power of x. You have 2 raised to the power of x equals to, this will be giving you 1 over 8. Then, or this one will be giving you 2 raised to the power of x equal to minus 1. Now, because this is a negative number, you cannot express a negative number to its basic index form in terms of 2. Yes, because you cannot express negative number to its basic index form in terms of 2, you said that this will not have value of x. Yes, you leave this and concentrate on this. Package this to its basic index form. That will be giving you 2 raised to the power of x equals to 1 over 2 raised to the power of 3. And that implies that 2 raised to the power of x equals to, from law of indices, 2 raised to the power of 3, 1 over 8 will be giving you 2 raised to the power of minus 3. Now, at this, you said since the base is equal to the base, the powers will be equal. Therefore, x will be equal to minus 3. When we have only one value of x here, why? Because the other value we're supposed to get, it is equal to a negative number, and we cannot express that negative number to its basic index form. Thank you for watching my video.